So often we get requests for us to integrate with the ChurchSuite rotas module, and unfortunately at the moment it's not available for anyone to integrate with. So what we've done with our new tag invites, we've made it possible so that you can integrate with smart tags, as this is a way that you can create continuous syncing groups from your rotas into Jovo. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So as you can see, over in my ChurchSuite account, I've created this smart tag called Hove Sunday Worship Team. Now, how this is set up is that I've set up these two conditions for the smart tag, where it checks to see if a person is in an active ministry, that is the worship team ministry, and then it also checks that they're on an active rota. So what this tag has done, it's gone to look into the rota to see if there are any people within the worship team that have an active rota for this week, and it will apply this tag to them. So I can show you this in the address book on Jovo. If I go to the Hove site and I filter by the Hove Sundays worship team smart tag, and apply that, I can see those two people have that tag applied to them. Now, because I know that, I can go to the tag invites section. I can select Hove as the site. I can select the Hove Sunday worship team tag, and then select the Hove Sunday worship team group to sync that into. I can say that it's a continuous sync. I can preview that. I can see that one person would be invited, one person's already in the Jovo group. So I create that rule and send it. And that's created the continuous sync for the Hove Sunday Worship Team smart tag. Now what this will do, if I go into that section, if I go to this, you can see that the Hove Sunday Worship Team group is set up there. It currently has one member. The other person has to accept that membership. But what will happen is that when that smart tag refreshes, so it goes and it will see, these people don't have the smart tag applied to them anymore, but it has a new set of people. It will remove the people who were in this group and add the new people into it. So you have this kind of cycling group that allows for conversation around the Sunday worship team to happen within this group, but it only has the people who need to be in it on there. So have fun setting them up for your welcome teams, your cafe teams, however you've set it up on your rotas. I hope that you find the smart tags facility within the integration with ChurchSuite in Jovo really helpful.